Coming up next on the Adventurists TV, Thomas Posho Fuckbucket Morgan III explains the rickshaw.
Motherfucking rickshaws. Motherfucking rickshaw. What's that? It's a motherfucking rickshaw.
Rickshaws.
Oh yeah.
Engineering's highest life form.
It's the motherfucking rickshaw. The motherfucking rickshaw.
Let's penetrate deep into the guts of this metallic marvel to find out what makes it tick. Driving one of these doesn't just make you attractive to the opposite sex. Other species will be lining up to have a go on your organs. Each rickshaw is supplied with 3 whole wheels of its own to make it cheap and less stable, like the British pound. Whoa! In the rear, it's packed with 145 centillimeters cubic of real man's horsepower. And that makes going uphill rather like pushing. Like this. I'm pushing the rickshaw up a hill. Can you imagine it? And here is the headlight. It's as much use as tits on a kipper.
You can barely see anything out of the front windscreen. The lights on the rickshaw are absolutely useless. Oh my god.
Fuck! It's got one of these. The windscreen protects you from all the weather, including the winds. And the rain won't be a problem, unless it's raining. History! The rickshaw was designed in 1947 by this man, Coriander Dassarscounter. He envisaged a 3-wheeled commercial vehicle that would help power Italy's post-war economic reconstruction. Good one, Mr. Dassarscounter. All of these great features make rickshaws the ultimate all-weather, all-terrain monster vehicle. You can go literally anywhere. The jungle, the shops, the moon, wherever the fuck this is.
That's my mum.
Head to www.theadventurists.com to find out more.